Hi there, Manish here. So I saw that you're looking for someone who can assist you with Klaviyo integrations and automation. So yes, I can do it. I'm a no-code, low-code automation expert plus a Zapier and Make gold-rated partner. And I'll quickly walk you through a couple of things. So first of all, there are three methods through which we can work with Klaviyo in automation and integration space. So number one, there are Klaviyo inbuilt workflow available. So you can automate very basic things within the Klaviyo itself. Secondly, we can build automation scenario and integrations using Klaviyo within make.com or Zapier. So these are two platforms where things can done. I'll walk you through that as well. And finally, we can also directly work with Klaviyo APIs. So in case if you wanted to make any custom API call or run it on a large scale, then we can work with APIs using Python or JavaScript code or even within Make and Zapier. So I'll just walk you through all of these three things quickly. So this is the Klaviyo API documentation. You can see my screen and it has almost all the endpoints available. So webhooks are there. We can get any type of events coming on from Klaviyo. So if a new profile created or some activity happens, we can completely manage accounts, campaigns. So you can see here, create campaign, get campaign, almost all type relationship can be established, message can be handled as well. And finally, even the profiles and all other things can also be managed very well using Klaviyo API. Now, apart from this, Klaviyo also available inside Zapier. So this flow can trigger based upon a new event, new profile or new profile added to a segment. And all these actions which we saw on the API side, they can also be handled directly inside Zapier. Now, similar to this, we can also use make.com for Klaviyo automations. So here you see Klaviyo has like watch campaigns. So when there is a new campaign created, or we can handle all the campaign actions altogether. All the events can also be tracked. Again, we can track metrics like how the campaigns are performing. And yeah, almost any type of actions can be done. Plus, these modules have something called make an API call. So we can directly work with any other Klaviyo API which does not exist here directly. Now I'll quickly showcase you what kind of automations I have done using Make and Zapier. So here we are suppressing Klaviyo profile using make an API call. So as soon as any members get deactivated or maybe some profile get disconnected from any other system, then we are suppressing their profile using this kind of a suppression call. So by default, this is not an action available, hence we had to call the API. Similarly here, calling API to get all the unsubscribed user list and updating them into Google Sheet. And here Facebook leads are getting directly added to Klaviyo. Same way here, this is a cold outreach campaign where the Apollo is a lead generator. We are creating a particular customized email using ChatGPT and things are added to Klaviyo. Now, apart from this, there are a couple of other scenarios as well. So here, getting the list of all the subscribers from Klaviyo and then finally sending out email using Gmail. So yeah, I have done so many scenarios using Klaviyo, and I can assist you with any of your automation requirement with be it Google Sheet or any CRM or any other platforms. So let me know if this excites you, and I'm more than happy to connect and jump on your project so we can work together. Thank you very much. Looking forward to hear from you. Good day. Bye.